Tired of your budget feeling stale? Wondering if your budgeting software is keeping up with your ever-changing financial life? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of YNAB updates, how often they happen, what they typically include, and how to stay in the loop. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a powerful budgeting tool that helps you take control of your money. But like any good tool, it needs to evolve to meet the changing needs of its users. That's where updates come in. So, how often does YNAB actually update? Well, it's not a set schedule like clockwork. YNAB releases updates on a rolling basis. This means they're constantly working on improvements, bug fixes, and new features, and pushing them out to users as they become available. These updates can range from small tweaks under the hood to major new features that significantly enhance your budgeting experience. Some common updates you might encounter include bug fixes, addressing those pesky glitches that can frustrate any user. Performance improvements, making YNAB run smoother and faster, which is always a welcome change. New features, this is where things get exciting. New features could include anything from improved reporting tools to integrations with other financial services. Interface enhancements, making the YNAB interface more user-friendly and intuitive. Staying informed about the latest updates is crucial to getting the most out of YNAB. Here's how to keep in the loop. Check the YNAB blog. The official YNAB blog is a treasure trove of information. They regularly announce new releases, highlight new features, and provide helpful tips and tricks. Follow YNAB on social media. Stay connected with YNAB on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. They often share updates and engage with the community there. Enable notifications. If you're using the YNAB app, make sure to enable notifications. This way, you'll be alerted whenever a new update is available. Why should you care about these updates? Well, they can significantly enhance your budgeting experience. Improved accuracy, bug fixes ensure your data is accurate and reliable, giving you a true picture of your finances. Increased efficiency, performance improvements, and streamlined workflows can save you valuable time. Enhanced functionality, new features can unlock new budgeting possibilities and help you achieve your financial goals faster. So, there you have it. YNAB is constantly evolving, and staying updated ensures you're always using the best version of the software. Take advantage of the resources available, the blog, social media, and in-app notifications to stay informed and maximize your budgeting success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.